This is Kit Kat and
Laffy Taffy for a second. And today we're going to be making
Galaxy
slime. So,
I'll take the pink. We'll do the purple later.
yeah.
Just
Like, take the cap off.
Okay. Step 1. Just pour all of the glue in every single centimeter and inch.
I make sure I get like every single drop out of the bottle, or else it doesn't count. Or else I restart. That's pretty. I used to have some of this glitter slime.
I like this glitter slime. It's like, I meant glue. It's like very, very.
I said glitter slime too.
It's gonna be glitter slime.
We should have put this upside down, the bottles upside down before we started.
True. Forgot about it. Oh, mine is working pretty good actually.
Show them yours. Yours looks really cool.
I'll show them after I.
We can't miss a single drop, guys. So. This is mine so far.
This is mine so far. It's like I'm eating blue soup.
It smells good. Do you like the smell good?
You don't like the smell of glue?
Oh, can't put the sniff
So guys, this
We're gonna waste like half of the time in our video just trying to get the glue out.
especially with the purple. Okay, are you ready, dude?
There can't be a drop left, I said.
Doesn't matter. Okay, yours looks about good. Set it to the side. Step
But
2.
there's left.
Nope, mine says I have it. It says no internet connection.
Okay, there was one drop left. I said, oh, there's still a lot of drops left. Whatever.
Whatever.
I said no drop left behind, but look at how cool the bottle looks. The
Step
bottle's
number
empty.
next, add
Step number next.
add 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda and mix.
Looks sticky.
Here, okay. Here. Hey, I need something to mix.
Me too. Ow, we forgot about that.
We thought we had the whole video planned out. Here, I grabbed some. Hey guys, sorry about that. It says mix a lot. So then mix a lot.
Yeah, so just gotta mix. Mix and mix and mix and mix. Whoa, look at mine. I'm making this swirl. Boop. Whoa, that's cool. Watch how it comes apart.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. We're almost at 10 subscribers. It's gonna be a big goal for me.
I'm at 12.
So, yeah,
Let's make it to 25. Then I'll do a 25 subscriber special. I was gonna do a 10 subscriber special, but then it ended up to be a 12.
yeah. We were planning on doing the 10 subscriber special for her today, and then she looked today, and it was 12, so. I'm changing my name pretty soon, guys, so prepare to start calling myself something.
Now it's time
So,
con. Okay, you ready?
but there's just
Okay, step 3. Add 1 1/4 tablespoon of contact lens solution. Eye contact lens. So we're waiting for it to arrive. Let's just
ding
not,
dong.
not oh
Oh, I was gonna say ding dong.
ding dong.
Bitch.
No.
A teaspoon.
Tablespoon. Okay.
I need some.
Ooh, this is looking good, guys. And then, like, mix a lot.
How much tablespoons? One?
Mix until
Does it say teaspoon or tablespoon?
It says tablespoon.
And 1/4 teaspoon?
Yeah. And then step 4 is mix until mixture
wow.
gets harder to mix and slime begins to form. I'm just reading off the box. The delivery. Mix it until it's really forming. Okay,
Yeah.
this will be good.
It's gonna be. Oh,
Oh, I like it. Okay. And then the next step. Step 5 is take the slime out and begin kneading with both hands.
oh, it's really sticky.
Yeah.
I'm definitely
Keep it
gonna
over
wash
the
my
bag.
hands.
I meant the bag.
Oh, here, I mean.
Yeah, and now you're dabbing on YouTube.
It's not coming out.
Too bad, Mom. It's your
I don't
fault,
think
so
I mixed enough.
we can cut it off. Cut it off.
Just leave it. I don't think my slime turned out.
Yeah, it's good. Don't worry.
Near the spoon.
See, they're good. At least mine is. Okay. Here.
I just gotta start kneading.
Just start kneading it. You need it! You know what
we
I mean,
need
but
it because we need it.
It's not very good for blowing. But still, it's cool. I might put this in
It's
slime
slime.
smoothly. I need more glue.
Yeah, I told you still had a lot of glue left. I do too.
Well, we'll just use the rest later.
We'll make a tiny batch of it,
Yeah, that would be cool.
and then we'll put it together.
Yeah. Ta-da. That can be the batch you take home.
I would try to mix the rest.
It's fine. I wouldn't talk in the video if you don't want to. Mom, stop!
We need
You
it.
don't
we
need
it
it.
to the end.
Sorry about that, guys.
I'm getting the last stuff out of it, of the bowl. Oh yeah, now it's way better. Now it's really good. Comment down below if I should make more slime.
With me. Because I'm the slime. I do most slime videos in my
You
channel.
literally have a channel made for slime.
Go check that out. It's called Sunset Slimes. I have no subscribers.
There's lots of other channels called Sunset Slime. So.
Yeah. This is
The
the
one
one
with Sunset Slime, Sunset Slime. Keep saying it 5 times fast.
the one with the dolphin jumping out of the water. That looks like not a real dolphin. And the one that has 0 subscribers. And the one that looks like I'm in the video.
It feels nice when you're like pulling it up. You can feel like this sparkles.
Yeah, I like this slime. Okay, I think it's time for purple.
Yep.
Okay, guys.
So we're both gonna make the purple.
Yeah, I'll put the stuff,
I
the
wanna
glue
make- I
in.
wanna- I still wanna
You
put the
put,
blue slime.
hey, put it down.
The blue slime's fine.
There.
Wait, I need to do something first.
Blech. Ooh, you're doing the classic. Come on, hurry up. Okay, actually, you put in the baking soda. I'll put this in.
Which one's for the baking soda?
You can put in the baking soda after. Can you get the one for the baking soda?
You need the slime. I was watching a video and there was an Elmer's glue thing, and it said you gotta beat up the slime, like beat it with like a beater or something. People use, and then they were going like.
You know what?
Just 1 half and use 1/4.
It doesn't matter. It worked good
We
anyway.
might have used too much baking soda, guys.
Yeah, but it worked good anyway.
Oh, we used less, but it's still really good slime. I think
Okay,
it's
add the
better.
right amount for the purple. This
Right,
is not
supposed to
done. Yeah,
The amount that you use.
1/2 instead of what we used. I said 1/2, but we didn't use it.
We accidentally got baking soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Make sure you set this like this.
We need
so
a
that
new spoon.
all the slim gets down. Now the slime's gonna go down.
Okay, guys. Next step is to mix. I got to mix.
And I put with the slime.
Oh, well, I mix. And then the next step is the eye contact stuff that you put in. And
Yeah.
I need it.
1 1/4.
Yeah.
I really like the blue. It like almost matches my shirt. When it's stretched out, no.
The thing is, we're putting them all together to make
the
the
end.
galaxy. That's the last step.
Ready?
Yeah.
What are you
The
waiting
sixth
for?
step is to add
Don't
all of
beat
them
it
together.
like that. Dum 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 dum.
1 1/4.
1 1/4 tablespoons.
Wait, don't put that in yet.
Looks like we might need to put it in.
Yep, put it in, please.
Epic fail, guys.
Sorry.
We should make a channel just for fails, and we should put it on a fail.
How much do you think you need more?
No.
Maybe,
Epic
no. This will
We should make like a fail channel.
Yeah, I'll call it Kit Kat Elty in our secret channel.
And
That
it'll be our
we didn't
secret
post
channel
yet.
names that we're gonna be making. Here we go. So we kind of are spoiling it a lot.
No, let's not tell them it yet. Okay. This slime is not very sticky, which I like. Never mind, this batch is sticky.
It's gonna be like how mine was. Yeah, that's exactly how mine was.
Oh, camera fell. Yeah, we might need some more contact solution. Okay, put it on the two.
Look at all of them. That's gonna be my batch. All this. It's gonna be a smaller batch. It may be like this big of slime, but I don't care. This is maybe it's big.
And the rest is mine because I bought this.
Yeah. It's even. Okay, you got it. I get the rest.
Okay.
It seems the more you play with it, the less sticky it gets.
Yeah, it's because of some of like the oils and
Yeah,
dirt
and
on
it's
your
because
hands.
it's made of glue. And duh, it's gonna be sticky if it's made with glue. Ready to put it together, Tiana?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll kind of miss all of these. Let's lay them by each other.
Wait, there needs to be an epic montage. I'll do it.
And then one day we'll put these in our sad videos. Make sad. Music. Sad.
Hey! Oh, sorry. No, epic music. There needs to be epic music.
Fine, and then we'll go with the sad. And now the sad. Take it away. Hey!
Okay, we only have 2 minutes left. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'll put the
The blue will be on the bottom.
blues on the bottom. I want to put the pink on because, or else I won't be able to.
I made the purple.
But I won't be able to put anything on then. Can I at least mix it?
Mine. I bought it. Look it! A sandwich!
It's a sandwich. No, mix it. Play with it. Mix it up.
This looks epic! Guys, honestly,
Oh, it's so cool.
it would not look good.
It's so cool.
It's so cool.
Here, I'll start getting all my other slime stuff. My slime. Oh my gosh.
Together.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
This is what it turns out to look like, guys.
Well, guys, that's going to be all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Make sure to
Like and subscribe.
Hit that little bell.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe to Kit Kat and bring the stuff.
Listen to it.